Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to open up your Dreamhost Mail. So first of all, you need to buy it, set it up if you haven't already. So you want to go ahead to Dreamhost Mail and manage mail. And after that, you will either see your mail here or you will need to create one. It should be a fully hosted email. And after you have done it, you may go ahead and manage it right there. You will see your that you can change your password if you have if you don't remember it, and you will see your login here and mailbox name. So this is how it looks like. Now, once you open it up, you can just click on webmail and you will be able to access it. Now you need to enter the password. If you don't remember the password, you can click generate strong password. And now after you have changed the password, it may take some time for it to update, but basically you need to enter it right there and log in. And now you have access to your mailbox and your mail on Dreamhost. You can now compose emails and so on and so forth. So yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.